Hello and welcome. You're watching Next IS English Places and News. Here we discuss all the important places and news for the entire week. So let us quickly understand. Let us quickly go to the first place. The first place is Kenya. Now let us understand about Kenya a little bit. Why it is in news? So all 11 on board, majority foreigners, were killed in Kenya light aircraft crash. So there were 11 people on board. In majority of them were foreigners, and they were killed in Kenya in a light aircraft crash. You can see the location of Kenya in the map. And now let us understand some crucial facts about Kenya. It is located in East Africa. The capital is Nairobi. The government is Unitary Presidential Republic. And then the deserts here in Kenya are Chalbi Desert, Nairi Desert. And then the borders, it shares borders with Somalia, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, and Indian Ocean. Then let us talk about the key highlights of Kenya. So Kenya was colonized by the British in the late 19th century and it gained independence in 1963. Kenya adopted new constitution in 2010. They have recently adopted a new constitution, replacing the 1963 version of the constitution. And then it is a presidential democratic republic where the president is both head of the state as well as the government. And the economy is the largest in the East and Central Africa, driven by agriculture, tourism, and services. So it has the largest economy in the East and Southern and the Central Africa. So moving forward, let us talk about the second place, which is Belém, Brazil. So let us understand important facts about Belém, Brazil and why it is in news. So bold climate and forest action could make Belém a historic COP30 host. So Belém, Brazil hosted COP30. We have been talking about it a lot. And now let us understand some crucial facts about Belém, Brazil. It is in Brazil. The country is Brazil, and the capital and the largest city of Para, North Brazil, and it is separated from Amazon Delta by Ilha de Marajo, and it is also known as the gateway to the Amazon River. So it is also the gateway to the Amazon River. Now let us understand the key highlights. Firstly, you can see the location of Belém in Brazil. This is the location of Belém in Brazil. Okay, and then now let's understand some key highlights about Belém. History founded, now established in 1616 by Portuguese kingdom as European Amazon colony. It was established by a Portuguese kingdom as a European Amazon colony. Now Belém has a tropical rainforest climate, remaining hot and humid through the year. So it remains hot and humid through the year. Belém's key industries include the port, trade, shipbuilding, food processing, and tourism. So these are the key industries of Belém. And I would like to tell you one more thing. This second point is one of the reasons why COP30 was hosted by Belém, because it has tropical rainforest climate, remaining hot and humid throughout the year, and it is also the gateway to the Amazon River. All right, let's move on to the third place, which is Tanzania. Now let us understand why Tanzania was in news. So curfew was imposed as unrest spread after Tanzania's disputed elections. So a curfew was imposed in Tanzania after Tanzania's disputed elections. Now let us know some crucial facts about Tanzania. Before that, have a look at Tanzania in the map. Now, the crucial facts about Tanzania is the location is East Africa, the capital is Dodoma, and the largest city is Dar es Salaam, and the government is a unitary dominant party presidential republic. Now, it shares borders with Uganda, Kenya, Mozambique, Malawi, Zambia, Rwanda, Burundi, DR Congo, West, Indian Ocean in the east. Now, you can see all the places that it shares its borders with. Okay, this is Tanzania. Now, let us know some key highlights of Tanzania. Tanzania is among the oldest continuously inhabited region on the earth. Do you understand? On the earth, early migrations include the southern and eastern Cushitic, southern Nilotic, and Bantu settlers here. And Tanzania's President Samia Suluhu Hassan won the disputed election with over 97% votes. Then the result came after nationwide violent protest earlier in the week. So this was all about Tanzania. Let's move ahead and talk about last place for today, which is Romania. So why has been Romania in news? NATO chief plays down US withdrawal from Romania. Again, that is why it is in news. You can see Romania's location in the map here. Now let us understand some crucial facts about Romania. Location is Central Eastern Europe. Capital and the largest city is Bucharest, and then it shares borders with Ukraine to the north and east, Moldova, Bulgaria, Serbia, Hungary and the Black Sea, and the government is unitary semi-presidential republic. Here you can see the borders it shares with Bulgaria, Serbia, Hungary, Moldova, Black Sea, and this is Romania and Ukraine, of course, and Hungary. Now let us understand some key highlights of Romania. Modern Romania formed in 1859 through the union of Moldova and Wallachia. Romania is dominated by Carpathian mountains and the Danube river flowing to the delta. Now it is home to 11 World Heritage Sites, also reflecting its cultural as well as natural heritage, and it has high income developing economy with strong automotive and technology sectors as well. So these are the key highlights of Romania, and we have covered all the important places and news for the week. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye bye, take care.